Chat, what's good? Yo, chat, what's good this morning, man? Let me make sure. I think my music's not too loud, right, chat? Let me know if my music's too loud or not. Good morning to everybody in here, man. I appreciate everybody for hopping in. Hope you guys are having a good week. Happy Wednesday, Thursday. What day is it? Thursday. Holy shit. I don't know why I struggle with that every day. Damn. Let's go, man. I'm excited. I'm excited. I appreciate all of you for hopping in with me. We got we got some interesting charts in front of us today. We'll talk about some charts in a moment here. By the way, who was on stream on Tuesday, who took that USD CAD long? Oh my God. Wait, come here. Come on. Come here. Look what wife just delivered, chat. Look what wife just delivered me. You know, listen, you know how you have to walk to the store or you have to drive to the store. You go say, oh, I want a coffee or I want iced Americano. Guess what? I go to my wife and I say, hi babe. Can I please have iced Americano this morning? And then she literally just delivers it. Is this a dream? Okay, chat, by the way, listen. Everybody say hello Instagram, because I got to post a story on Instagram. Tell everybody we're live. Do me a favor, in chat, just write hello Instagram. I'm getting taken care of. All right, here we go. I'm gonna post a story. We are live on YouTube right now. Chat is saying what's good. Hop in stream. Let's go. It's time. We are live on YouTube right now. One sec, chat. I'm just gonna get this posted up, and then we're gonna get the ball rolling. We gotta check some. Charts. 1 second. Yeah, by the way, chat, I was saying on what day did I stream? I streamed with Chart Fanatics on Tuesday. Yeah, who took that USD CAD long, bro? That thing ended up rocketing to the upside. We're gonna take a look at it in a moment here. For the people that weren't on stream on Tuesday, I'll break down the trade for you guys and I'll show you everything. But man, oh man, that thing rocketed to the upside. Oh shit, I deleted this. 1 sec, chat. All right, we're good now. We are good. Okay, let me hop into some some charts here. Oh wait, you know what we forgot, chat? Wait. Fuck the charts for a second. What time is it? We got 5 minutes till the open, so we still got time. Listen, we didn't do our morning shout out, chat. Who do we got in the building? We got Abu, we got Pranav, Nitu, Samuel, Rocking, Dez, Mash, Youngie, Griffo, Anus, Jason, Parth, Amber, Ron Haydu, Lawrence, Mujad, Dylan, Ragnarok, Pratap, Sean, Broken, Griffo, Brother Abbott, of course, Yanni, Kiara, Johnny, Net, Muhammad, JP. Damn! Chat, Liquidity Man, Akash, Jason, Tom. Damn, chat. Listen, if you know the drill. If I didn't say your name, understand this. Understand this. I love all of you. I appreciate every single one of you for hanging with me. I'm gonna provide and give as much value as possible. That's what we do on stream. Not always gonna be the most entertaining from a chart perspective. But if the chart's a little bit boring here and there, we're always going to try and give you guys as much value as possible. For the new people here, we'll be running a giveaway at the end of the stream as well. So hang tight. Enjoy your time here. Kick your feet up. Let's see if we can get some trades, and let's hop into the charts. All right. NQ. One sec. Okay. NQ is in an interesting spot. It's in an interesting spot. The weekly tells me we have room to the downside. Okay. After taking a weekly high, it looks like we could come fill this gap a little bit more. The daily and the 4 hour are kind of telling me different things though. We've just swept out all of these lows. So think about it like this, chat. We've just, from Thursday to Tuesday, we've built liquidity at these lows. So for days and days and days. Building. Wait, we don't have Elijah modded in here. Let me fix this. Elijah, you should be good now, bro. I don't know why you weren't modded. Lows built, and we just took them out, chat. So there's a chance NQ could flip bullish on the higher time frames here. The reason why I don't have high conviction in it, look what we have right below. So for that reason, I'll look for continuations to the upside if it gets delivered. If not, like I would not be surprised, chat, if we get something like this and we just continue selling and like kind of fulfill that weekly a bit. Targets wise, we still have this low to the left we could definitely run for. That's possible. So let's wait and see. I don't have any confident idea on NQ as of yet, but you know how it goes, man. Sometimes New York price action unfolds and things look a lot cleaner. So let's wait and see. ES, on the other hand, had a sell off to the downside. We left highs intact, which is interesting. Look at this. Okay, so we left these highs intact. And sold off. Grabbed a low to the left, had a little bit of a reaction. Now, I would say price above this high, and I can maybe see this thing continuing to the downside as well. Again, similar kind of mirror image to NQ. I don't have the most confident bias / idea. I don't, as of yet, unfortunately. My apologies. We are coming up to another previous weekly low, which maybe could be the next idea on ES. That's all I can see right now. That's all I can see right now. Again, sometimes New York Open comes in and then price action looks a lot cleaner. Okay, now I know all of you degenerate gold traders. Here we go. We got 1 minute and 30 to the open. Okay, so gold has spiked out previous daily low. And look at that flip on that bullish candle. Okay. We sold off at the early week. This price action has been, safe to say, hideous ever since taking the highs. We built at the lows, so we'll plot that on. We've built at these highs here. We'll plot that on. I feel like gold could continue higher today. To these highs, again, just I don't love anything too much right now. This is very sussy price action. Keep an eye on this. Built at the highs there. Left liquidity at the highs. I wouldn't be surprised if we get something like this. That's possible. But nothing I really love. Nothing I really love yet. So it is what it is. We'll have to see what New York has to say here. The opening bell, at least. Euro and Aussie both look like shit right now, at least. I feel like if Aussie can start running these highs to the left, maybe you could see a move down. So I'm going to keep an eye on Aussie. If we can trade above these highs, maybe we get a sell-off to the downside. We have lows to the left we're starting to respect. Okay, overall, higher time frame target. If you guys are Aussie traders, this low here. So plot that one on. All right, and then the rest is gone. But whoever was in stream Tuesday, if you trade Forex, that was the trade we took Tuesday. And look at that. Target nailed. Love to see it. Love to see it, chat. Good stuff. Coming in right now. We got NQ going bearish. So let me take a look at the price action we have in the left chat, and I'm gonna get to the chat in a second here. I want to get updated with all the charts. So we have all these lows we've left and kind of respecting right now. I would say, chat, just to keep this as easy as possible on NQ, look how we're now inducing sellers. Okay, that's good. That's awesome. I would probably say price above the highs now. Yeah, price above the highs, and maybe we can eye a continuation short. That's what I'm seeing right now. That would make the most sense to me, at least. Let's see. What's chat saying? Can you check out Jur? I'm pretty sure Jur looked like ass, but I can check out Jur. Yeah, I'm bullish. It looks bullish on Jur. It really does. Which trips me out a bit. Look at the weekly, by the way, chat. See, these are the things you want to see. See how this is not the nature of price action right now on NQ and ES. Look how we trade below weekly low. Like, automatically, my confidence is higher. I want to see weekly high go. I have highs to the left that can go as well, right? So that looks good. 1 hour wise, we took out this low. We have an LB to the left, which now we've respected, and we're going bullish. So the trippy part is usually, not all the time, usually German and NQ somewhat correlate, but I don't know. We're gonna have to wait and see, man. NQ is just in a different state right now. It really is. Internal lows taken here. If you guys are bullish, that could be a buy opportunity. The thing is, though, it literally all depends on the higher time frame, chat. It literally all depends on the higher time frame. It just depends how much further this bearish move wants to go. I'm just not entirely sure / convinced. We'll have to see what the rest of the assets are doing. What's YM doing? YM's on a mission right now, right, chat? Yeah. YM is on a mission. Euro USD I don't like right now, chat. I don't like Euro USD right now, so I don't have anything to show you. Wow, look at my mom is in chat as well. She's watching from the airport. She's actually going to visit my sister over in California. But W mom in chat. That's hilarious. My mom's in chat. Oh my god. Love you, mama. Have a safe flight. W mom. Yes, chat. You guys are the best. Marco changed my life. I win off your strategy, brother. W, man. Congratulations. I hope you continue working your ass off. And it's extremely humbling that you've said I've changed your life, man. Show me how to trade Bitcoin. Listen, all you guys need to know with Bitcoin right now is look at this chart, chat. Listen, if you guys have been watching my streams, I have been drilling it into your heads 49K for how long? Look at this weekly candle we've had. I would not be surprised if we respect these lows for a bit and go bullish, but overall, bearish long term. And yeah, look, I plotted my tweet on because I'm a piece of shit, but look at this. We literally said we wanted that top coming in there, and to the downside we go. But again, 49K, that's what we're looking at. 49K is the next destination. Marco, how are you? I'm good, man. How are you? Enjoy your mama, bro. We get old fast in life. Eric, you're right, man. We do. We actually do. Marco definitely made me profitable. I'm about to leave my job. Damn, bro. What do you mean you're about to leave your job? Chill. Don't jump the gun. Nice reaction on NQ. The thing is, chat, listen. I'm gonna say this right now. Okay? If the higher time frame's correct, if we are bullish in this area, this is what we're doing right now is going to be the low of New York. That's the low of New York we just printed on that wick. Okay? If it's not, and this is just leading to another continuation, wherever we top out at is going to be the high of New York. So you see how there's two scenarios in my brain right now? So we got to step carefully in these situations, man. We got to step carefully. And gold, I think is just, yeah, it's stuck right now. Gold isn't doing too much. Oh my God, chat. Did we hit 1,000 viewers? Yo! Chat! What the fuck? Did we hit 1,000 today? I don't even know. On my screen, it says 1,000. What the... Yo, listen, man, I appreciate every single one of you. I truly do. Thank you so much. What a blessing this is. I am extremely, extremely grateful. I honestly don't have the words. I really don't. What the fuck? That's insane, man. Do live daily, man. Listen, I told you last week, Chad, I'm gonna come live as much as possible. I promise you. I can't commit to every single day. I can't, but I'm gonna go live as much as possible. I promise. You have my word. Let's see. Right now, chat, honestly, and you know what? Knock on wood after I say what I'm gonna say. We're on a massive win streak on stream right now. We're on a big win streak. I'm not gonna lie. I think we're up around 20,000 on stream in the last couple streams, which is mental to say. Mental. Because performing on stream is a pain in the ass sometimes. It is a pain in the fucking ass sometimes. But stream has been going insane lately. However, this is not how trading always goes, okay? I'm here to tell you that sooner or later, I'm going to be taking a good old fat L to the chin and maybe even a losing streak. God knows. But that's... Listen, chat, if you guys are new here, anyone that spams the stream is going to get timed out. Okay? Simple. That's it. I made my first 5K monthly. I'm a grade 12 student in Ethiopia. Wow. If you just had a 5K month in grade 12, man, God bless you. That's some serious work. GJ, I know some people are saying GJ in stream chat. I mean, listen. Let's look at the price action we've had on GJ. And you know what? Hopefully, sooner or later, you guys actually do end up noticing this. But, man, just because you have a pair on your list does not mean you need to trade it. And I'll give you an example. GJ right now looks like absolute ass. Absolute ass. So guess what? If something looks like ass, don't trade it. Marco, I've been watching videos for the last week. I'm still struggling to find the direction. Can you explain a bit? Yo, direction is just all of the concepts put into one. So if you're struggling with it, there's only one way to get better at it. And that's just to practice over and over. There's not just one thing I'm going to say that's going to be like, okay, boom, you guys know how to find the direction now. It takes time, chat. It takes time and it takes experience. Okay, so we're taking these highs on NQ. I'm very interested to see what happens now. If we are, again, chat, if we are bearish, we could start flipping. I don't know, though. We have some highs to the left as well. Let's see. This 4 hour is really telling me go long, though. Everything really is. I'm telling you, chat, if we are bullish, chat, this is the low of New York. Good morning, Bella. Thanks for hopping in as always. I appreciate you. Hope you're having an awesome week. A good old Thursday as well. I still can't believe it, chat. I can't. How did we hit 1,000 viewers today, man? Honestly, I'm mind blown. I'm speechless. I'm grateful. I don't know. I really don't. I appreciate all of you. I really do. Thank you for hopping in stream today. Dude, my heart is like flying right now. In the sense where like I'm shocked. I'm speechless. So again, thank you so much. Bella, thank you. What an awesome setup. It's coming along. But yeah, new camera, new setup, kind of have like this at-home studio vibe now, which is awesome. Thanks everybody for supporting Marco. No, honestly, truly, chat, I do appreciate every single one of you. Love from Portugal, from India, Botswana, from Nigeria. Let's go, chat. We're going global. We're going for 100K subs. Chat, we have a lot of videos. I have 3 videos recorded. We will start uploading some more videos shortly. Just bear with me. We're in the midst of a kind of a mix-up right now. Pakistan, Brazil, Kenya, Bangladesh, Greece. What's the secret? Secret to what, Bella? Mexico, Argentina, Nepal. Lots of brothers and sisters from India. South Africa. Man, I want to go to South Africa. Ghana, Colombia. Seriously, chat. We are Global. My perfect skin. Yo, everybody always says my skin. I honestly, guys, listen to me right now. I don't do nothing for my skin. Zero. All I do is drink water and wash my face with water. That's it. But yeah, that's it, chat. I honestly don't have any secret. I'm sorry. I don't use a magical cream. Nothing. Okay, we are flipping bearish right now, chat. Hold the phone. The question is wifey hanging out with us on stream today? Where is she? Oh, I think she's in her office. She's busy in her office. She's just a busy girl, chat. Vietnam in the building as well. Jersey in the building. Somalia. All right. I'm so not locked in on the chart right now because I'm just friggin' I'm shook right now, man. I honestly, I'm shook. I can't believe we've done this. Yeah, man, these Forex pairs look like ass. I really think, okay, you know what we're going to do is I'm going to set an alert on Aussie here because I want to see what price does above these highs on Aussie. Marco, your liquidity deals opened my eyes, mate. W, bro. That's a W. That's what we're trying to do here, man. I'm just trying to give back as much as possible to you guys, as much value as possible. That's the goal. That is the goal. Okay, NQ is selling right now. Was there an entry? No, sir. No entry as of yet. Sells would be valid if we don't take out lows. So I just want to see price respect these lows. If we can respect lows, build liquidity, then we can ride this short. But let's wait and see. ES, what's ES saying? ES also took out the highs. Okay. So look at that. Can't grab this low. There we go. Hey, Marco, creating a liquidity block price again goes for liquidity hunt. Can you tell? Maybe if you can reword that, bro. I don't understand your question. Training the I series literally changed my life, bro. Yo, honestly, the amount of messages I've gotten where people are just like, your videos have changed everything in my trading. It's crazy, man. But it also makes me so happy because I get so many messages about like people finding results, passing accounts, people getting payouts. It's actually, there's this one guy. All he's done is watched free YouTube videos, chat. Listen to this. And he sent me a picture. He bought himself a car, a brand new car. And he's just watched the YouTube videos, bro. Mind blown. Actually mind blown. Which cream do you use on your head? Here we go with the trolls, chat. Here we go with the trolls. Chat, I don't listen on gold right now. I'm sidelined. I actually don't have a good read on gold. So for the people asking me, what do you like on gold? I actually don't like anything right now. I feel like there could be more buys, but in order for me to take any sort of buys, I need to see buyers trapped. So listen, stay patient. You gold traders, stay patient. And I'll let you know if something happens. Nah, you guys chat. You guys troll me, man. You guys actually troll me with this fucking how's your hair? What cream do you use on your head? I know it. I know you guys are trolling me. And I still fall for it like an idiot. But yeah, like going back to student results and just like community results, it's insane. Like every time I wake up in the morning and I check the Discord as well in the community, there's someone else there's someone else. Look at this. This morning, someone posted in the community, he just had a $4,000 payout. It's mental, man. That you guys trade how I trade and you're finding results, you're getting payouts. Like, bro, boggles my mind, man. It really does. But I'm happy. That's the word I'm looking for. I'm happy. That's the ultimate goal. When I'm trying to make these videos for you, when we're doing these streams, when we're making all this content, it's for you guys to find results. It's for you guys to get value out of it. So that's the goal. NQ is selling, chat. NQ is selling. And even if you were ready to sell, I don't see an entry. So pause, hold the line. Ain't nothing clean yet. As long as we can stay above, chat, listen to me. Above this low, sells will remain valid. But hey, listen, that is not looking likely right now. ES is following suit. It has quite a ways to go though. ES might be the asset to look at, to be honest with you. NQ has gone so much lower. We'll keep an eye on both, chat. We'll keep an eye on both. YM, what's YM saying? It's kind of stale right now. Gold finally taking out some highs here. Okay. Aussie hasn't yet. I set an alert there, so we'll know if Aussie takes out highs. Interesting. German as induced, trapped, taking out these highs here. Marco, how old are you? This year has been a sensitive topic for me because I just turned 30. And Chad has been calling me Unk. So, yeah. I'm 30 years old and I'm fucking Unk now. Chat, where's the wifey? I can't see wifey in chat. Uncle Marco. See, there you go. There you go. I'm getting the Unk comments. Look at you guys. NQ kind of flipping a bit after taking out this low. This price action is a headache right now. Could we be taking out this low to flip bullish? I don't know, man. I don't know. You look 25? All right. You know what, child? I'll take that. Who said that? Mr. Beast? I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. You're a chew now? Baby? Somebody just said instead of calling me Unk, they call me Chew. Look. Wait. Yeah, Chew Marco.
Oh my god, that's so good. It's better than that.
You want to sit on stream today or no? Yeah? Where's the other chair? Let me grab it for you. Chat, 1 second. We got to get a chair for wifey. She wants to give us signals. 1 second.
Hi, chat. What's up? Are you Christian? No. I'm running the stream today. Hi, guys.
Bub, yeah, this is your chair. Move your camera window to the right side corner. I like it at the bottom left. I don't know. We'll figure it out, chat. I'm kind of in. That wifey's not in the back. Unk. Yo, broken, bro. I know you're trolling, but chill, eh? That's a sensitive topic right now. Hey, my wife like watching me lose money too. There's no better, like, sometimes I actually tell wifey, I'm like, babe, you want to just come sit beside me and watch me trade today so we can, instead of me losing money alone, we can lose money together. It's less painful that way. W Marco, W wifey, W chat today, man. I still can't believe it, man. That's crazy. The thing is, now chat, listen up. Now, we need the charts to cook so we can all smash a trade together so we can celebrate the 1K viewers. That's what we need to happen now. Thank you for the live video, of course. Chat, listen, by the way, a little update. I'm going to try and go live as much as possible. Now, for the people here that are new, I will always let the community know, whether that's on Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, the day before when we're going live. Okay? So just keep an eye on our socials. And then, of course, if we are going live, it's at 9:15 a.m. So just go on YouTube. You can always check there too. It's up to you. Take a look at gold. We've been looking at gold, man, but gold ain't in a pretty spot right now. Look, this is gold. This is gold. So pump the brakes, chat. Pump the brakes. I'll let you know. Listen, I'll let you know if something cooks up. By the way, why isn't mom mod yet. I gotta make the mama mod. There we go. Now, mom, you're a mod now. So everybody will see your name light up. Is Abid shy? I've been telling Abid whenever he wants to go live, just literally tell me and we'll set the stream up for him. We got to get Abid to go live as well, chat. Tell Abid he's in stream. Listen, Abid's the millionaire, eh? This guy's the one with the 20, 30K trades. Tell this guy to go live. How many trading years experience? Long time, man. Do I trade Eurocat? I don't. Chat, by the way, listen, for anybody new here, look at the right-hand side of my screen. These are all the pairs I trade. And I recommend everybody here, if you do, wow. Look who also, I gotta, one sec, chat. I got my buddy Steph is in chat as well. This guy's a GOAT. Love you, Steph. Anybody that is trading Forex, guys, look at these pairs on the right. These are the pairs I recommend to trade. Futures, I trade NQ, ES, and gold. That's it. And YM, sorry. But when NQ and ES, actually, I kind of lied there. I trade NQ and YM. ES, I've only ever taken one trade on. Literally one single trade on ES. NQ is flying right now off the back of this low. Ain't nothing I like right now, though, bro. Honestly, there's a chance now we could actually come up and take these highs out. Maybe we go bearish after that. I don't know. I really want to see the 4-hour close now, chat. I really want to see the 4-hour close. I appreciate you, Steph, for hopping in, man. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. Yo, for everybody that's asking about the Hindi language, yo, I don't do it. It's done automatically. Chill. Can you talk about correlation between S&P and NQ could help take better trades? I really don't correlate, but like my best 2 cents would be if you're looking for a buy opportunity on NQ and ES is still not trading below lows yet, I would say maybe wait. It's best to trade, in my opinion. I don't use the SMT thing like I know some people do. Yo, Steph, this guy Steph goes, Marco taught me everything I know. He changed my life. Marco is the GOAT. Nah, Steph. You're the GOAT. Huh? That's Steph. It's his last name. Yeah. Oh my God. Yo, Noah's in the building as well. What's good, Noah? I gotta make sure everybody's modded properly here. Okay, NQ's turning right now, chat. We gotta lock in here. This price action is booty cheeks for now, but hey. Gold selling off the high. However, yeah, we've left all these highs intact to the left-hand side. Okay, chat, listen, I see a lot of questions about a liquidity block. It's quite simple, so pay attention, please. Pay attention. Of course, no, I got you, bro. Look, chat, price takes out a high. Okay, we've induced buyers by taking out this high. Now we get a sell-off. We take out the low, and then price flies bullish. Okay, now if I'm looking for a bullish idea, a bullish entry, this is the area I want to be using. Okay, so if there's somehow a level of liquidity in here, I mark it out, price comes back, takes it out, that's an entry. Okay, because of our liquidity block here. So that's your liquidity block, and I'm going to flip my chart so you can see it on the inverted side. A level of liquidity. This is your liquidity block, entry, and sell. Okay? Boom. Done. That's it. So pause the stream, take a picture, whatever you need to do, I just showed you. Done. Okay, chat, this is the idea now. We've created some sort of an LB on NQ here. I want to see a buildup of liquidity. And we can maybe ride a short down. Since we can set, we are taking out lows over and over and over though, we got to be careful of how we size our trade and also where to take it. I'm going to be very picky here. I'm going to be very picky. Bro, who was sitting behind you? What do you mean who was sitting behind me? This is the one and only wifey. NQ is going to go bearish 100%. If I had to, chat, if I had to put my finger on it, yeah, I would say NQ is going to be going bearish. Best time frame to look for liquidity block. By the way, chat, I've said this a lot in previous videos. Everything I teach you guys, everything I show you guys is fractal from higher to lower. So what does that mean? A liquidity block can be found on the weekly. It could be found on the daily. It could be found on the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15, the 30, the 5, the 1, everything. So there's not one time frame to do it all. That's the beauty about this. It's the same across every single time frame. That's how you keep things as easy as possible. You are the happiest man in this world. 100% I am. With this girl behind me? Come on, man. Come on, man. How many trades do you get into a week? Bro, sometimes I'm taking a trade every single day. Not all the time, though. Very rarely do we have conditions like that. Other times I'm taking one trade in a week. So the thing is, I've come to a point where I don't hop on the charts and I need to trade. I understand that I'll hop on the charts. If something's there, I'll take it. If not, whatever. Shut the charts off. On to the next day. Okay. We have 4 hour close, chat, coming in 3 minutes. Lock in. We have the 4 hour close coming in 3 minutes. So I want to see what happens here. Gold, a little bit of a sell-off. Look, you can see here, we've taken a 4 hour high and it's having a little bit of a relief. Aussie has still yet to take out any highs. Man, this BTC move, chat. Understand this, guys. Understand this. Any bullish moves we get, and this is literally, I'll put my life on it. That's how confident I am in this setup right now. Any bullish moves you get on BTC right now will be deemed a trap. There'll be a false move. Doesn't matter how high we go. We can go all the way back up here if it wants to. Okay? This whole move will be a trap. It'll be engineering liquidity for us. And eventually, you'll get that move back to the downside. So where does this thing need to go to right now? I actually couldn't tell you because I don't really see liquidity. I would say these highs. 68K we could see BTC bounce to. Okay, other than that though, it depends how we build on the way up there. If we build liquidity on the way up, then you can maybe see a sell after we take out the high, right? But it all depends. This is why it's very important to react to price action. Okay, it depends what we do on the way up there. Like everything I'm showing you guys, man, this is value right here. So pay attention. Take pictures, take notes, whatever you need to do. This is important. BTC going to 300K? Holy shit. 300K would be mental. Okay, we flipped bullish again after taking out these lows. Leaving this. Let me see. Much love from Gaza. Yo. I don't know a lot about what's going on over there, but hopefully you're safe right now. Your chart is way too bright. Yo, listen, I apologize, guys. If you guys are one of those unks, oldies, you got to change those settings, man. Put it to like, I don't know. I used to do gray for a bit. You can change it to a lighter gray, but I just have it as white right now. Who is behind you? That's wifey. Wifey's behind me. Black charts is trading as unk? Yeah, I could never do the dark charts, bro. I can't. Chat, listen. Jan Toman, the brother Jan, has called it. We have X amount of viewers, a lot of viewers in chat today, but the likes, bro. Listen. You guys know the drill. The more likes we can get, the more giveaways I can do for you guys. The more giveaways I can do. Okay, so hit that button, bro. Hit that thumbs up. It's free. It's free. 1.2K. Do we hit 1.2K? Yeah, listen, honestly, chat, I'm honestly speechless to say the least. I have no words now. I have actually no words. Where do you do the giveaways, chat? Okay, listen. If you guys want to join the giveaways later on today, we're not doing them yet. We're not doing them yet, but if you do want to join the giveaway, mods, if someone's here, can you post the Discord link in the chat? Join the Discord chat, and we'll be running the giveaways later in the Discord. Free accounts. I'll do as many as possible. Okay, I'll do as many as possible. I promise. But join our Discord there. Let me see if I can get the link for you. One sec, chat. NQ's still cooking. Give it time, chat. I think maybe we can catch something. One sec. Sorry, chat. Let me just get this all sorted. Copy. Yeah, okay. Never mind. Someone already beat me to it. There you go. Join the Discord if you guys want to join the giveaway later. How was this year for gold? Gold early year was shit because we're at all-time highs. But it's good. It's been good now. Guys, EU, I'm not sure right now. I really am not sure, bro. I'm sorry. And honestly, it's chopping around anyways. Like, this is not price action that's too pleasing. Gold had a rejection from the high. I would say below this low at the least on gold. The thing is, on gold, I really wanted to see price above some of these highs to the left. So I really hope we can get something like this on gold, chat. We induce, we trap, and then maybe a sell like that on gold. So we'll keep an eye. NQ is still chilling. Oh, we're building right now. Bro, okay, listen up, chat. I think I could take something here. I'm going to have to size down, though. What's my stop? It's small. Okay, we'll take something together today, chat. I'm going to take a short above this high here. I'm going to take a stab at this. If we can get above this high, we're going to take a stab at the short. I do ideally want to see price hold this low. If we don't hold this low, we're not holding it. I hate that now. Let's see. Let's see. I took at 957. Oh, you took up here on this pullback. Yeah, I see that. How did you come up with this model? Man, a lot of time. Like I can't begin to tell you how much time. At one point, chat, I literally locked myself in my basement and I looked at the charts for like 6 months. No joke. I got fat. I had a disgusting beard. I literally looked like a caveman. I was literally staying up through London, looking at the charts, chat, and then I'd stay up all night because London's 2-3 a.m. I'd stay up all night tracking price through London, track price through New York, and then go to bed at like 11 a.m., 12. Sleep all day, wake up for dinner, do it again. I don't recommend it. I had no life. Thank God he did it though. Yeah, man, that honestly, it feels like a lifetime ago. It really does. Do you have any pictures from when I was fat? Yeah, of course I do. What the fuck? You guys want to see me fat? I got you. One sec. Where do I have it saved? Here we go. I don't know if you guys can see, but I was fat as shit. Look. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. You guys can see. I was fat as shit. How you made money, though, before you knew how to trade? I was a plumber, chat. I was literally a plumber. Right out of high school, 17 years old, I started working as a plumber. This thing's selling without us right now, man. I was a plumber. Do you focus on fundamental news? I don't. Beer belly Marco? No, for real. For real. Chat, whenever you listen, if there's anybody in here, nothing makes me more happy when I see people getting active, going to the gym, smashing runs out. Tag me on Twitter, on Instagram. I want to see, man. I don't only want you guys to find results in trading, man. I want you guys to change your life overall. And that involves getting active, physically changing your life. Get your body right, get your mind right. A plumber becomes a trader. It's honestly the truth. NQ is selling, chat. Oh, without us. Honestly, I don't, even with the benefit of hindsight, I don't love any entries. So I'm not going to be upset about this. We just took out 4-hour low. This is interesting now. This is interesting. ES, what are we saying? ES literally just spiked the high again. Let me see. Yo, something tells me, oh. Can ES go higher? A little bit higher? YM, what are we saying? Ryan's rocketing right now, bro. Oh my God, YM's back at all-time highs, chat. God damn. And gold, what are we saying? Kind of just sitting there still. Aussie. By the way, chat, remember, I want to know who smashed this trade with us on Tuesday. Who smashed this? Marco feeling disappointed because gold taking all LBs today. I'm selling. You guys have to understand something. Everybody looks at LBs to be the end all be all. Guys, if your direction is incorrect, if your bias is incorrect, there's no type of pattern or tool that will save you. Okay? If the market's bullish and you continue to keep selling, everything is going to get disrespected over and over and over. Yeah, there's a lot of people that took that entry on USD CAD on Tuesday. W, bro. That's awesome. I got a lot of messages on that. NQ is now traded below London's low, chat. So if it is bullish, it could flip bullish now. If it is bullish. So it's got highs to target. It's not wrong. Timing wise, it makes sense. The question is this going to be the 10 a.m. reversal? Let's keep an eye, man. Fuck it, man. Who cares? Let's see. We need to get Uncle Abid with Marco. I've been telling Abid to hop on stream, man. It's completely up to Abid. Whenever he wants to stream, I told him to hop on, host that shit. Sir, I caught a 1-to-5 trade on Euro USD today. If you caught a 1-to-5, bro, give yourself a pat on the back. That's a serious trade. 1-to-5 is no joke. I'm right beside him. This is awkward. Gold took the low. Gold took the low. Yes, sir. We'll see, chat. Gold took the low. Now it's time to buy. You guys kill me. Everybody's so eager to get into trades. Chill. Let the trade come to you, my friends. NQ rejecting off the low. So just to kind of summarize what's going on NQ right now, we have lows taken. Okay. Current price action wise, we've just induced buyers by taking these lows, these highs out and sold off to the downside to trap the buyers. So could this cause that move back to the upside? It's possible. If the price is bullish, this could be printing that low right now. Timing wise, it makes sense. We've just closed up the 4-hour. So this is the new 4-hour candle. This could be the low of the 4-hour if we're bullish, right? So I don't know, man. We'll see. ES, what are we saying? Nothing too much right now. Is there an entry to short NQ? No. Now that we're trading below these lows, chat, on NQ, you do not want to be shorting this thing. I promise you. You do not want to be shorting this. Shorting should be off the cards. If you got in above this low, congrats. You could have paid yourself. Okay? But if you did not, please do not be taking sells on NQ right now. You will hurt yourself. If NQ is bullish, what's target? Man, we got highs intact on the way back up. We got multiple. I mean, you got 30,400, the 400s. We got all of these highs up here. Literally all of these, actually. Damn. It could move all the way back up. It's possible. Now, entry-wise, there's nothing yet. So I would wait for... Listen, chat, if there's going to be a buy on NQ, if we're going to go bullish rest of the day, listen, 10:30, and I've said this a lot on stream, will be the time we're going to keep an eye on. Okay, so we got 15, 20 minutes. Let's wait and see. Maybe there could be a continuation cooked up for us. As of right now, the only way is if you kind of just smash the buy button at the low. Because I don't even see something from the left we could have taken an entry off of. Let me take a look. Nah. Nah. Yeah, pump the brakes, chat. We'll see. Big 5-minute candle so far. Look at this 1-minute candles. Yeah, I'm bullish too on NQ. Noah. What is entry confirmation after sweep? The same thing across all time frames, my man. The same thing. I just want to see buyer liquidity taken out and we take that buy. Okay, but as of right now, if we're on the 1-minute chart, chat, all you have, literally all you have, is a bullish closure at the low. That's it. We literally came down. Oops. We literally came down, printed a low, bullish close, and we're moving higher. So, sure, could you take an entry off a 1-minute bullish closure? You're more than welcome to. You're gonna take a lot of loss, guys. If you're spamming the chat, I'm gonna time you out. Very simple. Direction plus inducement equals liquidity. Mark, I would say people should learn your concept and make it their own. I love that. Who's winning Monaco F1? Great question, and I'll tell you. I'll tell you who's winning. Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton is winning Monaco F1. That's who is. You're welcome. I just told you the future. Lewis Hamilton, my chat. Come on now. All right. Lock in. I want to see what happens now on NQ. This is interesting price action, chat. Everybody needs to lock the hell in. Fuck that, we want Charles Leclerc. I do like Charles Leclerc. The problem with Leclerc, chat, I'll tell you the problem with Leclerc. He's a savage, 100%. But, man, he has no clutch gene. He gets nervous. Go Lewis? Fuck yeah. Why did you flip from bearish to bullish? I just explained that. Literally just explained that. I'll kind of summarize it real quick. Lows taken to the left. And then in current price action, I said, and you can rewind the stream, once we take out these highs, a sell could occur. And we have lows down here, right? And maybe even lows to the left. That's why I plotted this on earlier in the stream, right? 30,000 basically flat. However, we didn't make it there, and we've had a bullish reaction. Time, look at the time. It's 10 a.m. We have a new 4-hour candle. Look at the 4-hour, right? We swept out that previous low, and we're going bullish. So that tells me right now we could have just printed that low of New York, and we could be heading to the upside now, right? And we have highs intact over here, 30,000, the 400s at least. I would not be surprised if we can hit the 400s. And if this thing has a serious expansion kind of day, bro, we could be taking out, going to the 5s and 6 maybe. I don't know. That would be crazy, but it's possible. And then that would make this daily candle completely leave a wick to the downside. Elijah sent... Look at Elijah's message, chat, and he's not lying. You guys don't realize rewatching the same video multiple times till it becomes unconscious is key to mastering this. It's consistency and repetition. And you know what? That's literally the key to everything in life. It's consistency and repetition. Do it over and over and over until it's second nature. Caught a little, yo, Christian, I like the way you worded that. Caught a little reverse ski off the low. Fuck yeah, you did. Where's all my max haters at? Bro. One second, chat. You know what Max Verstappen looks like to me? This is what he looks like. I don't give a fuck. I don't care, chat. All right. Now, easy way to kind of track price right here. Look, highs taken. I want to see lows taken. If we take the lows out, we could frame a buy back up to the upside. Okay, easy one. What's the reason you don't trade silver? I like gold. I like gold. I always find something new. Damn, what do you mean, bro? Marco, can you explain how to find bias sometimes? I'm really confused. Bro, liquidity. Watch my videos, man. Watch my videos. I have videos specifically on direction and bias as well. As well. That's a good reason on its own. Yeah, 100%. 15 seconds is crazy. Yes and no. I'm scalping / intraday trading at the end of the day, so. All I'm doing is, if you think about it, all I'm doing is opening up the 1 minute chart, right? So the 1 minute is very squeezed up right now. Look at the 1 minute chart. Squeezed up. So all I'm doing is opening it up. Now, am I sitting on the 15 second trading it? No, fuck no. That's it. All I'm doing is opening up the 1 minute chart. So could I stay on the 1 minute? Yeah, but for the sake of people's eyes, they probably can't see what I can see on the 1 minute. I can see, yeah, that we have a high taken out and lows intact. It just looks cleaner on the seconds. That's the only reason I'm on it. Be patient, Marco. My man, don't worry. Marco, thank you so much for sharing your knowledge. Congrats for your 1K viewers, and I see you at 5K soon. Yo, Jose, my bro, I appreciate that. I really do appreciate that. Guys, again, let me just take this moment to say thank you so much. We have hit numbers I would have never have dreamed of today in stream. It's like, it's incredible. It's humbling as hell. I'm grateful. I'm speechless. Thank you so much. What an opportunity this is. Thank you, thank you, thank you. How many pips you target when you scalp? There's not a specific amount. It's whatever my target is. So for example, if I take a buy below this low somewhere and I'm targeting the highs, this setup will probably provide me anywhere between 500 and 600 ticks, right? And that's it. It's whatever the chart tells me, guys. It's whatever the chart is. I don't target a specific RR. I'm not a fan of that. I never have been a fan of that. Whatever the chart tells me, I do. And I think that's the best way because it keeps things as mechanical and systematic as possible. It's weird that we don't have 1,000 likes. Yo, Jason, it is weird that we don't have 1,000 likes. Mods, can you do me a favor? Can you run a giveaway in the Discord so we can start setting it up and then make the announcement for 10:45? One sec, chat. I'm gonna set up the giveaway for you guys, so you guys have more than enough time to enter. I'll let you guys know when it's ready, and I'll let you guys know how to join. For now, charts, because I want to see what NQ does here. Elijah, we already hit it, bro. We already hit it, which is insane, man. It's insane. Is your strategy applicable for swing trade? 100%. 100%. Can you help make us a video on the direction and bias? I have multiple videos on the channel. Guys, listen to me. Okay. For everybody asking me, Marco, can you make videos on this? Can you make videos on that? I promise you, chat, if you just study all of my YouTube videos, just study them all, watch them over and over and over. That's like, there's so much in there already. I promise you, it will help you with direction. It will help you with bias. And there's this quote I dropped last time on stream. The results you're looking for is in the work you're avoiding. Period. I love that one. Congrats on the 1.1K viewers. I appreciate you, Natish. Thank you, man. Where will you put your stop loss? Chat, you're going to see it all live in front of you. If I take a trade, you will see my entry, you will see my stop loss, you will see my target. Don't worry. Do not worry. This is just the beginning, bro. I hope you reach 5K. Watch it too. Pravash, thank you, man. Thank you, thank you. At the end of the day, traders craft their own strategy. Yes, I think foundationally people might trade the same as me, but when it comes to taking entries, times of the day they trade, or just like what time frames they like to stick to, everyone's going to have their own spin on it. And honestly, I recommend that. I really do. So yeah, learn what I am teaching you guys, study what I'm teaching you guys, but at the end of the day, you can put your own spin on it, right? There's many people out there that trade how I trade. However, they like taking entries a different way, or they like doing this a different way, doing that a different way. That's fine. We're all different. We all have our own different strengths and weaknesses, right? Play towards them. That's fine. Marco, NQ might be cooking. Trust me, I see. The only problem is I can't take an entry right below this low because the stop is so big. If we come deep, I could. Pause. Okay, chat, it's up. By the way, giveaways are up. I'm going to show you guys real quick. This is, one sec. If you guys want to join the giveaway for today, join our Discord. There you go. Discord's in chat. Join the Discord and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Takes 2 seconds. Go to the Discord. On the left-hand side, you have, where is it? Feed? No, Inter-Equity Trading. Go to Inter-Equity Trading on the left-hand side. Giveaways. And click the blue button. That's all you got to do. Click the blue button right here. And you'll be entered into the giveaway. We're going to be doing 1 Alpha Capital, 1 Alpha Futures, and 1 Apex. That's it. Very simple. Very simple. Join the Discord. Click the blue button. Done. That's it. All you got to do. And put a little emoji on there. React. Put a little blue heart. Put a blue heart. The blue heart's vibey today. We all individually have an edge. I love the way you word that. Elijah's correct. I do agree. And that's what makes all of our content between all the mentors and coaches unique. I do agree. Marco, you give yourself away? Wait a second. Wait a second. Marco, the CFD, the stops won't be that crazy. That's right, I know. If it is a move back to the upside to all-time highs, this could be a higher time frame entry on CFD. I definitely agree, Elijah. Let's see. Realistically, chat, you could take a higher time frame entry below here. Stop loss needs to go. See, this is what it would look like. This is what it would look like, chat. Stop loss needs to go below that low. So that's entry, that's stop loss, and then for the RR to make sense, you need to be targeting at least here, right? Or at least 1 to 3 somewhere. So if you can match it up with some sort of liquidity point, you can even look to target. You have some highs here, right? That would give you a 1 to 4, etc. So you do your thing. You choose. $30 candle so strong. Yes, sir, it is. We're coming up to that 10:30 point. And 10:30 is like a very important time for me, chat. We're taking out these highs here, which probably can cause a pullback. So keep an eye. Gold, man. Gold is trickling down right now. Nothing too interesting. Nothing too interesting. And to be honest with you, if this thing does short, chat, nothing for me. Nothing for me. If it does want to short. I don't like this price action we have to the left-hand side. That's fine, though. That's another thing a lot of people struggle with, guys. Just because a move is happening does not mean you are meant to be in it. Listen, if it aligns with your system and your plan, that's fine. That's why, like, chat, if a move goes without me, I'll never be actually mad or upset about it. However, if a move goes without me and there was an actual entry and I didn't pull the trigger, yeah, I'll be upset with myself, right? But you have, like, this is trading, bro. There's going to be plenty of times the market goes bullish or bearish without you, and there wasn't an entry. Guess what? That's fine. If it's not per the plan, not an entry you need to be in. Period. That's one thing a lot of people struggle with, because that's that FOMO, right? Like for myself, listen, everybody has different entry models. Everybody has different ways of entering. For myself, zero entry on this move right now. Zero. Actually, zero entry on this bearish move as well for myself. So there has been zero entries for me. Now, if there was entries and I wasn't executing, okay, we got a problem. We got to see why I'm not executing, right? But that's it, man. That's as easy as that. Yo, Mr. Moose. I like that. Trades are like buses. Always another one coming. I love that. I definitely agree. Where can I like 100 times? My bro, listen, all I ask from you guys is smash that thumbs up. All you got to do is once. And that's more than enough, man. Just you guys being here. You don't even have to, honestly, guys, you don't even have to like the stream. You guys being here, hanging out, chatting with me is more than enough. And I appreciate everybody. I'm sorry if I haven't gotten to everybody's messages. It's hard to monitor charts, talk to chat, do this, do that. I'm trying my best, though. I am trying my best. Market Do lifetime members receive daily market outlook? No, sir, Ryan. That's for monthly only. Chat, again, though, if you want to join today's giveaway, I think it's pinned, but look at the chat. Join the Discord. On the left-hand side, it says giveaways. Click giveaways and just hit the blue button. All you got to do, hit the blue button. It ends in 17 minutes. Ends in 17 minutes. You got 1.1K views today? I know. It's fucking insane. It really is insane. Humbling as hell. I actually can't believe it, chat. Euro, selling. Aussie, just really, really struggling right now in this area, holding the highs. You have to understand, man, these are the conditions. This is when a lot of people are taking L's, trying to predict where the market's going to go. Stop predicting. Just react, man. I have a level up here. I'm going to react accordingly afterwards. That's it. Why no videos for 2 weeks? Because we're in the middle of a transition right now. I have some things we're doing with the channel, and then I have videos recorded, but we're not uploading them yet. Hopefully, maybe next week we can. If you're a little bit more freaky, you could be the next TGR. Oh, hell no, bro. Listen, that man is freaky as fuck. I've seen his stuff. We're waiting, Chad. We're waiting patiently, man. This is what trading is sometimes. ES is continuing. YM is just buzzing at all-time highs, doing its thing. Look at that reaction on NQ, bro. We're coming up to 10:30 right now. I'm curious to see what happens. Why? Listen, the only way we can take a long, we need to hold this high. We need to hold this high. If the high gets taken, it's no bueno for me anymore. How much for the t-shirt? It's just an F. I think I bought this in Florida with wifey. It was at baby, what store did I buy these F1 t-shirts from? PacSun, chat. I bought it from PacSun. Which liquidity block is highest? What are the highest probable liquidity blocks? The highest probable liquidity blocks, chat, are the ones that you pair with liquidity. Have you been to a live F1 race? I actually haven't been to an F1 race, which is insane to say. It's on the list, man. It's on the list for sure. My favorite F1 driver. 1 second. Thank you for asking, by the way. One second, chat. Here you go. That's my favorite F1 driver. Road to 2K views, bro. Chill out. I'm still trying to stomach the 1K live viewers. Absolutely mental. Mental. I can't believe it still. We need some IE t-shirts. Yo, chat. I know I keep saying this. I've been saying this over streams for a while now. Yes, I want to get the merch going, and I'm going to do it shortly, I promise. You have my word. There's just so many things going on right now. I haven't had time to just focus on, but yeah, I want to get IET clothing, man. I want to get interactive clothing. It's going to be sick. Like, it's actually going to be sick. Not just like, I'm talking about quality, comfortable, like shit you actually want to wear. Not just like, oh, I'm going to put it on because it's an IE. Nah, it's shit like you're like, yo, this shit's actually comfortable. We need IE underwear. What the f... Marco, I'll invite you to my house. I live in Iran. I'll be coming for dinner, bro. I'll see you there tonight. What are the steps for entering trade? I need to see a liquidity block form. I need to see a buildup of liquidity form. Boom, boom. Okay, that's in very simple terms, but yeah. We need quarter zips. Quarter zips is the actual vibe, chat. That's what I really want. Please watch. I have never watched Gran Turismo. Okay, I'll put that on the list. Why is trading the most difficult way to make easy money? Chat, I'm going to give it to you straight. You want to know why trading is so difficult for people? Not even just for people, for everybody. In order to make money in trading, you have to do the exact opposite of how we're wired as a human, right? You can't be greedy. You have to be patient. You have to be disciplined. You have to be all these things that like you have to understand humans are wired with emotion. That's natural. That's normal, right? In order to actually perform and be consistent in the markets, you have to tuck emotion to the side as much as possible. There's going to be times where emotions are there. Like that's normal. Yo, Gilgata, I don't know what your name is, bro. See you later. You spam the stream, you get the hell out of here. I despise spammers. You spam the stream, I'll time you out, no problem. But yeah, man, trading is hard because we're human. We're naturally wired with emotion. So you got to learn how to tuck the emotion to the side as much as possible. Can you remove emotion 100%? Fuck no. It's impossible. It's literally impossible. But there are ways, there are techniques, there are strategies out there to help reduce the amount of emotion. For sure. Having a plan, having rules, following them every single day, that's very important. Gold view. I don't think gold's doing much right now. Yeah, gold's kind of dead, chat. Nothing I like. Nothing I like right now. Same with euro. It's kind of across the board for all these FX pairs, right? It really is. NQ has potential still, chat. That's why I'm sitting on NQ. I'm waiting. I wanted the long up, nothing at the lows, even on the 15 second. I'm showing you here. I'm waiting. I know, babe. It's crazy. 876 likes, chat. Thank you so much. We have, by the way, for anybody new in here, again, the giveaway's open right now. In the Discord. Get in the giveaway. And, oh, yo, look, everybody's spamming the blue heart. Let's go. The blue heart. Vibes. We're running a giveaway in our Discord right now. All you got to do, click the blue button. That's it. I'm just trying to give back free stuff to you guys. 1 Alpha Capital, 1 Alpha Futures, 1 Apex account. I got you. Hey, Marco, can you shout out my friend Jordan that he needs to lock in? Jordan, listen up. Your friend, Footy Fanatics, he needs you to lock the fuck in, bro. Why are you slacking? Lock in. Let's go, Footy. Let's fucking go, Jordan. Lock in, bro. What the hell? No slacking over here, man. Unbelievable. Fucking work, chat. I don't care what you're working on. It could be just your 9 to 5 work. When you're done your 9 to 5, go home, pump some weights, go for a run, lock in. This is literally lock-in season. It's not spring, it's not summer, it's lock-in season. Thank you. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Can I get one from my brother Adam? Yo, chill, Abu. I can't do that. I can't do that. Just kidding. Adam, lock the fuck in. NQ's playing with us, chat. We're waiting. Yo, chat, I'm going to start a movement. Anybody that goes for a run, you post that shit on your socials and you tag me. Okay? You want to listen, I'm no bullshit, chat. All cringy shit aside, I'm not kidding you, bro. You guys start going for a run, you watch how disciplined you become as a human. Start fucking running. I'll show you. Running sucks, bro. Wait, I'm not skipping your messages, babe. I saw 900 likes. It's insane. But I'm sorry. Guys, wifey's getting mad at me because I miss her messages sometimes. And she doesn't understand that it's an accident. And I'm trying my best over here. There's only one way. There's only one way for me to apologize. And that's to take her shopping. Is running on the treadmill okay? 100%, bro. I love you, baby. If I walk 5K, will you post? I can't run due to knee issues. Y'all, listen. If you can't run due to knee issues and you're walking, props to you, my man. That's that shit I like to see. Everybody stops, bro. Anything in life, whether that's gym, running, charts, your business, everybody stops when it gets hard. Everybody. What do you think being great is easy? Wow, I made myself sound like like I'm great. I'm not great at all. But I'm just saying, if you want to get to a point in your life where you are great, where you are successful, do you think getting there is easy? No. It's just hard work. Long hours, painful hours. Bro, you just have to grind, chat. I don't care what it is in life you're doing. Trading, running. There are plenty of times I'm on the couch and I'm like, fuck, I have to go bang out 10 kilometers right now. I don't want to. But guess what? I'm still going to do it. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. I like that, Jason. Respect, bro. But everybody stops. Literally, everybody stops when it gets hard. And think about this for a moment. I'm going to leave you guys with something here before we get back into the charts and the giveaway. I'm going to leave you with something. Most people don't become successful in life. Most people don't. Why? Most people make the same mistakes over and over and over. What are those mistakes? Like I just told you guys, when things get hard, when things get difficult, they stop. Okay, whether you're tired, okay, or you have this excuse, you have that excuse, they stop. I love you. When things get difficult, man, that's when you put your foot on the gas. Fucking work, bro. Let's go, chat. I'm not just trying to change your life in trading. I'm trying to just level up that mental, bro. Get your ass in the gym. Get your body right. Get your mind right. What is your age? I'm 30 years old, bro. I don't want to talk about it. NQ can suck our ass though, because this doesn't look like it's gonna give us something now. ES is stalled at the highs. YM is just chilling. Look at this PA on gold on the 1 minute. Hell nah. Nice soul here. I definitely need more of that in the world. Let's go, man. Everyone say thank you, Unk, for the pep talk. Babe, you can't be calling me Unk too. That's insane. What broker are you using for personal CFD? Chat. I trade props on CFD. I trade FTMO and Alpha Capital. Okay, those are the only, anybody who asks me what firms to trade on CFD, there's only two. There's literally only two. If you guys are trading the other firms, I don't want to hear it. Because then people are like, oh, I didn't get paid out or I got scammed. Yeah, your fault. Alpha Capital and FTMO, those are the only two firms you should be using. And there's like, what, 600, 700, 800,000 in capital you can get with them? That is the only two CFD firms you need to trade. Futures, listen carefully. For all the futures traders here, there's only a couple firms I like. Alpha Futures, Apex, I'll say Lucid. And those are the only three you need right now. Okay? And right there alone, you have 5, 6, 700,000 in capital you can get with them as well. Don't ask me questions about any other firms. Okay? Those are the CFD firms and those are the futures firms. That's it. If you want the best discounts, of course, you can use code Marco Trades. Save yourself some money. But again, I don't want to hear people saying, oh, Marco, what about blinders funded? Some random... Bro, use reputable firms. Pay a little bit more money. Oh, man, I can't stand the people that look for the cheapest firms and then you end up getting scammed. It's almost like, I don't want to say it's deserved, but man, come on. Why do you like them? They're the best ones, period. They will pay you out. If you don't break rules, they will pay you out, period. Okay, chat, we got our giveaway is going to conclude in 3 minutes. If you guys have not joined the giveaway, join our Discord and click this good old blue button. 3 minutes till the giveaway. And NQ has legit died on us, chat. Look. What the... ES chilling. Gold dying. And it's not pretty. Ryan, what is included in the lifetime package? My bro, everything. There's so much information on our socials. Go to our Discord. Our Discord literally has this. That's everything that's included. It's very simple. Chat, giveaway in a minute and 30 seconds. What's your view on oil? You know what? Just because I'm always curious to see what oil is looking like. Let's take a look real quick. Since there's no trades right now. I mean, it looks like shit. I would say below these lows, maybe you could start seeing some bullish price action. I would say sells right now into the lows on oil. We've taken out some highs, induced buyers, left liquidity at the lows, so this thing could come lower. NQ is not doing anything right now. What time is it? All right, well, we have the giveaway going to be ending in how long? 30 seconds, chat. What is up with the giveaway results? Guys, it literally says on your screen. Come on. It ends in 25 seconds. What's up with the giveaway results? Like, you got to be kidding me. On your screen, it literally has a timer. No, it doesn't? Oh, okay. Here we go. 3 seconds, chat. All right. The winners are Cypher, Solvalian, and JC. W's in chat. Literally W's in the chat. Let's go, man. W's, W's, W's. Congratulations to Cypher, Solvalian, and JC. Again, chat. Smash that blue heart, bro. Smash that blue heart. By the way, guys, if you did win, very simple instructions. We will reach out to you. Okay? We will reach out to you and we'll give you the account. We'll We'll do this. This is the account. I'm giving it. Okay. You get it. You get what I'm trying to say. How often are you on the chart? I'm on the chart every single day for New York. Am I trading every single day? Fuck no. I don't have to take a trade every single day. Chat, we are incredibly close to a big payout. If we have another, maybe, let's just say 2 more decent winners. 2 more decent winners, and I'll probably request a fat ass payout on my Apex accounts. Code Marco Trades. 90% off still, I believe. 1 second. Apex is still, yes sir, it's 90% off. By the way, chat, I don't know if you guys seen. The new 5 account bundles, W on Apex. Absolute W. You no longer have to buy 1 account anymore. You can buy the 5 pack bundle. Look at this. 5 pack bundle. With the discount, guys, with the 90% off, look at this. For, let's do 50Ks. Wait, EOD, here you go. $40 each account. $200 for 5 accounts. For 5 accounts. Insane. They still are running their 90% off. NQ is fucking frozen, chat. Buy Mr. and Mrs. Marco. Mr. and Mrs. Marco. Oh my god, I got my mom in chat. W Rosemary. Marco, how long you been training for? 6 years. Not 6 years seriously though. The first like 1-ish years where I wasn't taking it seriously. By the way, guys, if you are buying accounts on Apex, EOD, just get the EOD accounts. You don't got to worry about the trailing equity. For myself, I'll be completely transparent and honest. The trailing equity is ass for me. EOD is beautiful. And Alpha Futures new accounts, the premium ones, massive W there too. What do you think about quarterly theory? I don't know a quarterly theory. Never looked into it. Oh, man. I think, honestly, chat, it's safe to say today is a no trading day. Now, the question is, do we go live again tomorrow? I'll let you guys know. I'll let you guys know. I don't want to promise it, and then it does not happen. So, we'll see. We'll see. I don't know. I'll let you guys know on the Instagram, on the Discord, everywhere. I promise. Okay, chat, you know what we're going to do? We're going to wrap her up for the day. My time window's somewhat closing in 10 minutes anyways. Man, what a stream, bro. What a stream. It wasn't the most eventful. We had some stale ass price action today, but listen. I appreciate every single one of you. Literally, let me just talk for a minute here. Like, what a blessing. What a blessing. We hit over 1,000 viewers today, chat. What the fuck? Go running now. 1,000 viewers, bro. It's insane, man. Again, for all of you in here that support me, that support Interequity, that support all of us, even you guys just being here, you don't even have to chat. You don't even have to like the stream, bro. You don't have to do none of that. I do truly appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much for showing so much love and support. It actually means the world. We hit 1,000 viewers today. It still boggles my mind. It really does. I see all your messages, man. I love all of you. I truly do. Thank you so much again for an incredible stream. I will let you guys know on socials if we do go again live tomorrow. I promise I'll let you know. I'll try my best. But without further ado, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If I see you tomorrow, maybe. I love you guys. Trade safe, be safe. We'll talk soon. All the best, guys. Take care. Thank you. Thank you.